It's me, Mario!
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. An Amber Alert has been issued on behalf of the This house may be with his non-custodial father, Tristan Anderson. Tristan is a 22-year-old white man. Tristan or have information regarding their whereabouts, please contact the Monroe County Sheriff's Office at 423-442-1212 or the TBI 1800 TBI-FA North D. 15 years helping. We have quite a lot of customers that when we tell them about this, they don't believe us. And we actually have to spend some time saying, no, this is really part of the contract and we really can make it easy. That's kind of funny.
And so do the organization, would they send money to, I guess the question is, all that money's tied up in one buy, right? I'm going to move to Notepad 2.0 and I'm buying a certain thing.
And you look at the 4 bucks. Is being tested. If there's been an actual emergency, official messages will follow this alert tone. This concludes our test of the emergency alert system. Called The Song of Barbarina.
Broadcasting from the campus of Salisbury University, this is Classical Delmarva, WSCL Salisbury 89.5, Delmarva Public Media, a service of Salisbury University and the University of Maryland Eastern Shore. And some of this music can be recognized because
system. Those with alarm functionality on their radios are asked to ensure that they are turned on in order to confirm that the test was received. Again, the alarm test will be conducted between 11:30 a.m. and noon Eastern Daylight Time today. The alarm test may be canceled without notice in the event of rapidly developing warning or watch conditions, which require the Wakefield office to shift into a higher alert mode. The current time is 11:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hazardous weather information. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook. This has been a test of the NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio Alarm System. NOAA National Weather Service normally conducts this test every Wednesday between 11:30 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next fair weather day. You will be informed between 7 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. each test day if the test will or will not be conducted. This test is conducted to give you the opportunity to ensure that your radio alarm system is in good working order. This has been a test. Hazardous weather information.